It's a super cool day in my country. I'm staying in my home garden right now. So I'm creating a video today, but not about weather or hobbies or bird watching itself, but a little bit a blend of all these things. So before that, I would like to greet all of you to my country Sri Lanka and to my home garden. So this is the RUSLexplorer channel. So Aiboan and I welcome all of you to my country and channel. So today I'm going to make a video about that you will really force or addicted or compelled to pay a visit to my country, mainly after COVID-19. So this video is about different aspects that you need to come to see my country. So let's see how it goes on while enjoying some music, and I will gist out some important facts also on the way. Here we go. Right, so what I'm trying to epitomize through these video segments, that is the different opportunities you have in my country, mainly if you are a nature lover or a person who would like to do some hobbies which are relevant to nature, like bird watching, butterfly watching, then dragonfly watching, and maybe surfing. So what else? You name it, we have it, most of them. So yeah, So that's what I'm trying to show through my videos, why you need to come to my country, mainly if you are a nature buff. So yeah, this is how I see my country through my camera lens. So you also can see what you feel if you come here. So I think there are more interesting videos that I have recorded to instigate or to make someone, mainly a foreigner, to pay a visit to my country in the future, mainly after COVID-19 fades away. So I think there are some more interesting videos. Let's have a look at them and have an understanding about my country. And yeah, we'll enjoy some music as well while watching the videos. Here we go again. So I think I actually instigate you or compelled you to pay a visit to my country. So these are the reasons why I need to come. I showed them through different video segments. So you decide why you want to come to my country in the future after this pandemic fades away. So there are plenty of opportunities, as I said before, for nature lovers and people who want to do hobbies which are related to the environment. So do please feel free to come, and you can ask first-hand information from me even. I'm ready to help you. You can drop an email to the given email IDs in the description box. So thank you for joining. Thank you for seeing this video. Appreciate a lot if you did, as I always say from the beginning. Yeah, that's all for this video. I want to wrap it up and see you again. Aibowan. Stay safe, okay? Signing off from RUSLexplorer's home garden. Bye bye.